all employers in Hong Kong. Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Maribel Damog. I'm 34 years old and I'm a single mom with the 2 loving kids. I have experience for 8 years as a domestic helper. My first experience, it was here in Philippines. 2 years with Pakistani family, 6 members of the family, 2 adult, 1 elderly, 3 kids, ages 14, 12, and 7 years old. My second experience, it was in Kuwait for 6 years. 4 members of the family, 2 adult, 2 kids, ages 3 years old and newborn. My main duties and responsibilities to taking care of your kids. I'll do cleaning, ironing, washing dishes, and cooking. Sir, Mom, if you choose me, I will do my best as your helper. I am trustworthy, responsible, independent, loyal, and hardworking with positive attitude. Hope you choose me as your helper. Thank you and God bless.